Welcome to our channel. How to set up Range XTD Wi-Fi Range Extender in repeater mode. You can set up a Range XTD Wi-Fi Range Extender in 3 modes: wireless AP mode, wireless repeater mode, and router mode. Watch this video till the end to learn the setup process for Range XTD in repeater mode. For the other 2 modes setup, find the links provided in the description below. Inside Wi-Fi Range Extender package, you'll find the Range XTD unit, an EU plug, a US plug, a quick installation guide, and an RJ45 cable. Ensure your Range XTD extender is ready for setup. Find the mode selector button on the device. Set the mode selector to repeater. Plug the extender into a wall socket, preferably in the same room as your router. Wait for the indicator light on the extender to turn on. Locate WPS button on your Range XTD extender. Press WPS button and wait for the light to begin flashing quickly. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on your router. The lights on both devices will start blinking, signaling the connection process has begun. Wait for a few moments while the extender automatically connects to your router. Once connected, the light on your extender will stop blinking and stabilize. Now, your extender will automatically copy the Wi-Fi password from your router. This means your Range XTD extender is now using the same Wi-Fi credentials as your router. Now, you can place the extender in any area where you want a better Wi-Fi network. Great work! Your extender is now successfully set up. Now, you can enjoy an improved Wi-Fi coverage in your home or office. If you face any issue, try reconnecting or adjusting the extender by repeating the same process. If the problem persists or you have any other query, feel free to leave a comment below. We'll be happy to assist you.
Thank you.